It was scary. If I went back to bed, I don't know what would have happened.
Mary Ellen Lawrence says she woke up Monday with a headache and feeling dizzy.
And my boyfriend called and said, "Why are you sleeping so much?" And I said, "I don't know, but I'm really dizzy. I'm going back to bed."
But then she says her carbon monoxide detector went off. So she went to shut off the furnace and open the doors and windows to her house.
Couldn't find my dog, and she was lifeless. Lifeless sitting by the bed.
She knew something was wrong.
Came out and she went back in under the bed. And I said, "That's just not normal." Then I knew we were, getting carbon monoxide poisoning.
She says she was watching NBC5 when we told her about clearing vents after a snowfall.
I just didn't know about the vents. Thank God for Channel 5 News.
Fire officials say they didn't respond to her home until later that night.
Arrived on scene, the alarm was activated. The furnace had been off for a while.
Fortunately, firefighters found no elevated CO levels, and the only thing they felt that could have caused it was the furnace. Officials say they aren't sure what made the alarm go off, but they want to remind people to call for help right away when one of these goes off.
Don't hesitate to call. We'd rather come, find nothing, go home, make sure everybody's safe than have you, I think it's just a faulty detector, and then go to sleep and then have something bad happen.
And her message to everyone watching?
I just want everybody to know that they need to check their vents, and they need to have carbon monoxide detectors and make sure they change their batteries.
In Castleton, Matt Layton, NBC5 News.